Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDC from Gemini to Revolut in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between platforms can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This process is straightforward once you know the ropes, and it's a great way to manage your digital assets more flexibly. First off, why do this? USDC is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it ideal for transfers without wild price swings. By the end of 2025, with more integrated crypto services, this could become even easier, but let's focus on getting it done right now. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Revolut. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms for security reasons. Think of it as a quick safeguard against scams. Once that's sorted, log into your Gemini account. Head over to the Wallet section and select USDC from your assets. Now, click on Withdraw or Send, depending on the interface, which might have updated by 2025. Next, you'll need to enter the destination. Revolut allows USDC deposits via their crypto section, so input your Revolut wallet address carefully. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. Set the amount you want to transfer, and keep an eye on any fees. Gemini might charge a small network fee, which is standard for blockchain transactions. In 2025, expect faster processing times thanks to advancements like Layer 2 solutions. After confirming the withdrawal on Gemini, you'll get a transaction ID. Now, switch to your Revolut app or website. Go to the Crypto tab and look for incoming deposits. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. Finally, a few tips. Always use two-factor authentication, monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how to transfer USDC from Gemini to Revolut in 2025. It's simple once you break it down, and it opens up more options for your crypto journey. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.